If you need to share your SurveyMonkey survey quickly, the easiest way is to copy the survey link directly from SurveyMonkey. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can get your link, share it with others, and start collecting responses right away. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, make sure you're signed in to the correct account that owns the survey you want to share. This is important because you'll only be able to access the surveys connected to that account. Next, click on your survey from the list of projects or recent surveys. If you have multiple surveys, take a moment to choose the correct one so you don't copy the wrong link. After opening the survey, look for the option that lets you publish or share it. In SurveyMonkey, this is usually the Publish Survey button. Once you click Publish Survey, SurveyMonkey will generate the survey link for you. This is the link you'll send to your audience, your team, your clients, or anyone else who needs to complete the survey. After the link appears, simply click the copy button next to it. At this point, the survey link is copied to your clipboard, which means you can paste it anywhere you want, like an email, a message, a social post, or a website. You can also open a new tab and test the link yourself if you want to make sure it works before sharing it widely. If you're using the link in multiple places, keep in mind that this is the main survey URL, so it's the one you'll want to reuse whenever you need to invite more people to respond. And if you make changes to the survey later, you can come back to the same area and copy the link again if needed. So just to recap, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Publish Survey, and then copy the generated link. That's it. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.